Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to sow some thyme seeds. So thyme is a herb which is used in Western cooking a lot. So you can always go and get the plant from the market, but why not just grow it yourself? So I have this seedling planter, divided planter, in which I have put a potting soil mix, and uh, what we are going to do is we are going to just take these seeds and sprinkle them there. If I am able to open this, these seeds are really tiny. Just sprinkle a few in each pot. So I like these divided planter because what happens is when they grow, and if you want to take a few of the plants out, it doesn't disturb the other plants. So that way I really like them. Okay, so now I'll just cover it with the more soil. Going to water it a little bit, and then I'm going to keep it at a warm place, and I'll cover it in this grocery bag. So what happens is that because the seeds, they need the warmth and the moisture to germinate. So once you cover it like this, what happens is that because of the warmth, the water will evaporate, but it will condense on the plastic bag and it will fall back in. So the planter will stay moist. So it helps in the germination. So I'm going to report back in a couple of weeks how our seeds are doing. So it's been 1 week, and as you can see that our thyme seeds have already starting to germinate. So now I've removed that plastic bag and I've covered it with this clear plastic box so that the bag doesn't touch the plants, and they are able to grow freely, and this will also give them light but still hold the moisture and the warmth inside. Thyme is a perennial shrub, and it is really fragrant and used in all sorts of cooking. But it is hard to grow from seeds. Even mine, half of the seeds didn't grow. It also requires very good drainage. It does not like, moist roots. So our thyme is about 6 weeks old. We sowed the seeds around 6 weeks ago, and they are about 3 to 4 inches tall. You know, this whole thing is about 3 to 4 inches tall, all of them. So we're going to transplant them. So we could have actually sowed them in the ground itself, because they can be grown outdoors also. They like full sun, but we put it in these containers, and I'm going to grow them in container, transplant them in container only, so that I can keep them inside. So here I have this pot with good drainage at the bottom and a regular potting soil mix which has uh, uh, perlite and compost and cocoa peat mixed in. So I'm just going to put it as it is in this pot and fill it up, so that now they will have more space to grow. And normally thyme likes full sun, but right now, because we have just transplanted them, I'm going to keep it exactly where this container was, which was like, it was getting some east sun for a couple of hours. So that's how I'm going to keep this pot also, because we didn't really disturb the roots at all. So it should be fine. We don't need to worry about it. And similarly, I'm just going to do another one. Just make a hole here. Just take out pot. Put it here and fill it with soil. and we'll report back how these are doing. Of course, need to water it also. And it is a perennial, and if you are planning to leave it outside in winter, so you should do mulching around it so that it doesn't die out. So it's been 4 weeks that we transplanted these thyme plants in the container, from the small uh, seedling container to these big containers. As you can see that they are standing tall, and there is some growth there. So that means they have taken well to the transplantation. And of course, now it is fall, so they are not going to grow too much. But when the spring comes, then they'll really thrive and really grow bushier. And also in summer and spring, just keep pruning it from the top and keep using it, and but never prune it below the woody stem, otherwise there will be no growth after that. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.